Oh, it's a glorious day, look. Beautiful. Well, the sun's out anyway. It's bloody freezing, but we don't need to talk about that. Wishing I had heated grips again, but we'll get there. Yeah, it's about 8 degrees, but it's dry, it's sunny, there's no rain, it's not wet, there's no mud. Perfect to take the bike out. In fact, it'd be a little bit rude not to take the bike out with glorious weather like this. Past my old stomping ground and out onto the moors. I do love riding out onto the moors, particularly in the summer. But like I said, the sun's out. It would be rude not to. Definitely want to make the most of what sunny weather we have left. Ah, these are the roads. These are the ones I love. Either these or the real country lanes. Twisty roads for 2.5 miles. I'll take it. Blimey, they weren't kidding. This probably isn't sports bike territory. It's probably more dirt bike territory. It's still a road, just about. And they do say, well, some people say that all roads lead to dirt bikes. I'm not sure I agree with that, but then I don't have a dirt bike. I might feel differently later on in life when I have a dirt bike. Yes, this is probably not sports bike territory. But then it's all part of the adventure. It's not like I'm going actually off-road. Like, if the road stops, you will literally just see me stop. I'd be like, oh no, there's mud there. Oh, I better not ride on the mud or the grass. In fact, I'm a little bit surprised I'm riding on this, to be fair. It's still nice. It's different. It's definitely different. Trying to carve out a clean bit of road here. It's like I'm getting further and further to the left. That mirror's going to get it in a minute. Hey, that feels a little bit better. Hands are cold, I can tell. Not just that I can tell, but my gear changes are shit because I'm so focused on my cold hands. Oh, there's a car. Blimey, like another vehicle. We're like a dog in a car that sees another dog in the car.
Hey, Lois, there's another dog in that car. Hey, there's another dog in that car. Hey, are you seeing that? Hey, other dog. You.
dude fishing into there. Wow. Tottiford Fishery is for members only. Wow. Would not have expected to see people fishing in there. I'll be going for a spot fishing later on. Won't be into a reservoir though. This really is a lovely place and the weather's gorgeous. It's not even cold anymore. Like, I'm good, my hands are good. I've stopped riding. It's like 8 degrees, but the wind is like 2, gusting at 4. It's nothing. I'm so glad I came out. I definitely want to make the most of what's left of this lovely weather. And recently I was reminded that life is precious and you don't know what's around the corner, and it's made me want to make the most of what's left of my life, and not just make the most of what's left of my life, but make the most of life. We don't know what's around the corner. If somebody said to me, you're not going to die for another 50 years, great, but I still want to make the most of my life, whether I'm dying tomorrow or in 10 years, 50 years time. The truth is that one day we're all going to die. Hopefully not all at once. But no, seriously, for me, one day all of this will be gone. Ah, mountain bikes. Morning. Makes me want to get back out on my bike. Perfect example though. I mean, right now I could be at home, sleeping, playing PlayStation, lazing about. And don't get me wrong, there is a time and place for all of these things. I love my sleep. I occasionally, very occasionally, will have a very, very lazy day where I don't do anything. It tends to be when I've got time off work, and that first day is a do nothing day. But yeah, there's a time and place for everything. Just seeing that guy on the bike there, I want to get out on my bike now. But it brings me back to what I was saying. One day, we're all going to die. Hopefully not all at once. But seriously, like, one day I'm going to be gone. Like, for me, one day for me, all of this will be gone. And I want to enjoy it whilst I can. Recently, I will share with you, recently my daughter was in hospital, and it reminded me, as these things often remind all of us, reminded me of just how precious life really is. And I am enjoying myself. I am out there. If you've seen my recent videos, you will have seen that I'm talking about not tucking the motorbike away for, you know, several months, 4, 5, 6 months over winter, because yeah, the riding might not be as pleasant as it is in the summer, but it's, I don't know, for me I feel like it's a waste of time. Yes, it's going to protect the bike, but I'm going to enjoy it while I've got it. I'm going to enjoy it while I can. You know, there was a time when I didn't even like motorbikes. Like, I can't even imagine it now. There was a time when I hated on motorbikes, and I'm glad to say that I've come into the fold, obviously. I can't imagine a time when I wouldn't love me motorbikes. So I'm going to make best use of the bike whilst I can. But yeah, I'm going to make best use of my time. Like, if you're sitting at home doing all, sleeping, lazing about, playing PlayStation, like, all the time, what are you even doing? Come on, man. Get out there, enjoy yourself. It's not exactly a day out, but it's beautiful. It's not too far from where I live. It's not exactly on my doorstep. You know, half hour out on the bike. But half hour out on the bike, yeah, I'll take that, thanks. Nice little adventure. Sports bike adventure? Not quite the adventure bike that you'd expect. Definitely not a dirt bike. I'm not really clued up on all the different types of bike. For me, there's a sports bike, there's a dirt bike, and there's a Harley. And if your bike
looks like a Harley, then to me it's a Harley. I'm a little bit ignorant there. Maybe I need to look into this, because I filmed some bikes last week and they were gorgeous. They weren't all Harleys, but my brain said, look at the shape of this bike, it's a Harley. I know it's not a bloody Harley, but it's the same with dirt bikes. I couldn't tell you one dirt bike from the next. For me, at the moment at least, I'm all about my sports bikes. You know, I'm gonna enjoy my sports bikes whilst I can. I have several that I wanna try over the years. Who knows, maybe I will end up on a dirt bike. Maybe all roads do lead to dirt bikes. I really don't know. Can I see a Harley in my future? Yeah. Is it going to be a Harley, or is it just going to be shaped like a Harley? I don't know. But I can definitely see that style of bike in my future.